Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2013 Toyota 86, stock number 6604. This ran from the 4th 2012 to the 9th 2016. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch thick alloy maggot tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door, 4 dents. Left rear 16-inch thick alloy maggot tyre, left hand taillight, rear boot lid 4 dents, right hand taillight, right rear 16-inch thick alloy maggot tyre, right front door 6 dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard 1 dent, right front 16-inch thick alloy maggot tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket Pioneer touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,